channel. In today's video, I'm unboxing my third add-ons order from IPSY for October 2020. First, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I would really love it if you would hit that subscribe button. It would make my day. Also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. IPSY is a monthly subscription. You receive a bag with a mixture of beauty products. Could be makeup, hair care, skin care, nail products. They have 3 different levels. There's the IPSY Glam Bag, which is $12 a month. The Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month. And the Glam Bag Ultimate, which is $50 a month. But any Glam Bag level can participate in their sales. They have add-ons when you customize your bag for the month. They have mystery bundles. They have other kinds of sales during the month. There's something available pretty much all the time on their site. But in this order, I got 2 mystery bags. Now, if you've been watching my videos lately, you'll notice that I went a little bit overboard this month in my extra sales and things, but I've been thinking about Christmas, I've been thinking about future giveaways, and it all just kind of got ahead of me, got away from me. So let's just see what I got, and hopefully I'll be better next month. So I have 2 Mystery Glam Bags Plus boxes here to unbox today. So let's see how we did. We'll start with the August 2019 Mystery Glam Bag Plus. And the first item I see is from Purlisse, and it is Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. And this retails for $35. It is a lightweight, oil-free water cream makeup, and it primes skin for makeup. I do like Purlisse. I've never tried their matcha green tea line, so I'm curious about this one, but not a bad way to start. Retail value of $35, and the add-on price was $30, so box is already paid for. Let's see what's next. It's like they know me. It's a brush set. And this is, I don't know if they pronounce it Farah or if it's just F-A-R-A-H, because there are periods in between, but this is their 5-piece eye perfection set. It says Be Beautiful, Be You. And this retails for $48. I'm not going to open it because, as you've seen in recent videos, if you've watched them, I've gotten a lot of brushes lately, and some of them I have promised will go into giveaways, so until I decide which ones I'm going to keep and which ones I'm not going to open anything and that I can leave sealed for someone. So our next one is from, what is this? Oh, from Goldfaden MD. This is their Doctor's Scrub Ruby Crystal Microderm Exfoliator. And we've seen Goldfaden MD in the boxes just recently, but I haven't tried this. There are 2 sizes available at retail. This is the 50 milliliter or 1.7 fluid ounce. So this is their full-size retail product that retails for $38. So that's pretty interesting. I do have other exfoliators I'm trying right now, but if you've tried this product, let me know down in the comments. Okay, this is a brand I've never heard of, but that's not a surprise when it comes to these boxes sometimes. This is from Smith & Cult, and this is a nail lacquer, and the shade is Pillow Pie. I don't know if it's coming across properly on camera, but it is a very, very pale, what I would consider a ballet pink. And I actually had to look up when I saw this name and see what it was, but I mean, they sell it on like pretty high-end beauty sites. So, and this retails for $18. So, $18 nail polish? Better be really good. But let me know if you've tried this product either, because I'd be very curious. You know, I think I'm paying a lot when I buy like Essie polish at $9 a bottle. But 18, goodness. Again, let me know if you tried it. And this one I'm so excited about. This is from Laura Sanchez, and this is the Moods eyeshadow and highlighter palette. I have seen some of the channels that I watch playing with this recently, and I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. So I am very excited that it was in this box. And there is a mirror up here, but I'm going to flip it down. There is a plastic sheet, but it is attached, which is kind of cool. You can't tear it off. I'm going to lift it up. Just come with a brush, 8 eyeshadow shades, and 2 highlighters. So it just looks like a lot of fun. There's some fun shades in here. It honestly doesn't look very much like me, but for whatever reason, I saw a couple of people playing with it. Joy, I think it was you, but anyway, I saw it and I was like, oh, I may have to have that. So very excited that it was in the box this month for this mystery box. So again, the price of this mystery bag was $30, and the total retail value of everything that I got in it was $164, including a palette that I've been eyeing in some other people's videos, so I really can't be mad at that. Now the second one I got was the December 2019 Mystery Glam Bag Plus, and let's see what's in this one. Okay, again, you know I'm already going to be happy. They can beat up the box all they want, as long as what's inside is okay. This is from Complex Culture, and this is the Press and Set Bronzer Brush, and I got my first Complex Culture brush recently, and I love it, so I'm very excited about this. And yes, the box is all dinged up, but the brush looks fine. And I can't wait to check this one out because I like the other one I have. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, wow. Yeah, okay, this just totally made the box for me. This is a retail value of $35. It was a $30 mystery box. Yeah, box already made for me. The rest of it's gravy. Okay, next, that's a big one, from Glam Glow. This is Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. And let's see, oh, it doesn't give me anything other than tropical in terms of scent or whatever, but this is clearly the full size because look how huge it is. And it retails for $34. I have never tried this particular product. I have tried other Glam Glow products. I do have some other exfoliators that I'm working with right now, so I don't know if I'll keep this one or put it in giveaway, but if anyone has any experience with it, let me know down below. And next, okay, this is from ColourPop, and this was a collaboration with Bretman Rock, and this is the Lit Lip Bundle. I don't know if you can see the gold. There's actually glitter in the big word lit. It is a lip bundle, and we have Wig Ultra Satin Lip, I See You Ultra Gloss Lip, and Duke's Lippy Pencil. So let's look at that first. Here's the, I'll put these down so I'm not dropping things. This is the shade of the Lippy Pencil, and it's a really deep red. Not a shade I would wear every day, but I'm assuming that maybe it's kind of the color of this box. So, you know, maybe a color for the holidays. Okay, I'm gonna guess it goes with this. This is the Wig Ultra Satin Lip. So that's a red, but it's a beautiful red. If it's that color, that's absolutely gorgeous. And again, it's a color I would only wear for something, you know, special, but wow, is that gorgeous. And then the Ultra Glossy Lip in I See You is a real gold. It's a goldy gold. So wow, that's a beautiful lip set. That's a lot of lip. Again, not shades I would wear every day, although again, for the holidays, not a bad thing. And this retailed at the time, it's no longer available, but when this collaboration was out, the set retailed for $16. I'm never mad about ColourPop. Anywhere, anytime, you can give me ColourPop, and I'm good. Okay, our next one is from, let's see how we're going to pronounce this. Evolue Hydrating Serum. Anybody? Let me know how close I came. This is, you know, it's a hydrating serum. There you go. It does say keep refrigerated for best results. Can be used twice a day. It is 1 fluid ounce. Retail value on this is $68. So, wow. For a serum, better be really good for $68. So again, I'm never mad at a serum. That's the other thing. ColourPop and serums. And our next item is from IPSY, I-T-T-S-E, with the accent mark on it. And this is a magnetic eyeshadow palette, and it's actually the Van Ness magnetic eyeshadow palette. And unfortunately, this is a company that didn't survive our current situation. I went to their website to get some pricing and stuff, or tried to, and I found a message on another site that they did not survive the current economic climate as a result of the global pandemic. So that's really sad. But this was a beautiful, it's a magnetic palette. It's sort of a faux leather outside, and then inside there is a mirror, and they do have 4 shadows in there right now, but this section lifts out so you could actually fill it with additional shadows. So you could make, fill up the palette yourself. They normally sold the palettes and shadows individually, but they did have a couple of sets that they did for IPSY where they did put the shadows in, and this was one of them. And it's a shame. I hate to hear about, and it's happening, but companies that just couldn't survive in this current climate. So I'm kind of happy to have a product from them. It's a little, let them know people haven't forgotten about them. So again, this was IPSY, I-T-T-S-E, with an accent over the E, Van Ness Magnetic Eyeshadow Palette, and it retailed for $60. And just a few other little things here in the box. I guess this was an extra because it was December. We got a little charm. This is Cheers Baby, a little champagne ball. It says IPSY on the back. I'm guessing that was a little Christmas present. And the bag for December was a silver metallic with a, I'm going to call that sapphire blue because it was one of the colors in my wedding, and it's the color that is very close to the color we used. Really a pretty, pretty color. The blue, the silver is a little much for every day, but not for the holidays. So again, this box, or this Mystery Glam Bag Plus from December 2019, I paid $30. And the total retail value, not counting the charm or the bag, just of the products, $213. And like I said, this brush made the whole thing for me. So I had 2 mystery bags. I got 10 items plus 2 bags and a charm. And it cost me $60 for the 2. I got $377 worth of products plus the charms in the bag. Can't be mad at that. Leave any comments down in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Have you tried any of the mystery bags? Are you surprised to know that after unboxing these, I decided to try a few more? So there'll be more of these videos. I don't know if they'll come this month, or sometimes it can take a while for things to arrive, so it could be next month. But let me know what you think of these products. If you've got any experience with any of these, let me know, because I would love to know before I try them, or as I'm deciding which ones I'm going to keep and which ones are going to go for Christmas, which ones are going to go in giveaways. So leave your comments down in the comments section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't done it already. And thank you. for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe. Please be kind to yourself. And I'll see you real soon. Bye. Go ahead. Do you want to be in the video? Do you? You could be in the video. Say hi. You don't want to say hi. You just want to sit here. Okay. We'll make a video about puppies. Just